Hey guys, how you doing today? Today I'm going to make a quick video here on using a multimeter to check a cell phone battery. I'll probably do more multimeter videos in the future, but first, in our scenario, I'm going to zoom in and show you where I put it. Well, what I do here is I actually put it to 9 volts. But anyway, I put red here and then black here. That's what I do. So yeah, when you're using ones for main electrical lines, like from the outlet or something, that's a different story. But anyway, we're testing one of these here. Okay guys, this is a better view. Now stuff like this here, you gotta remember, you can do not short the battery out. These things here, if you're not careful, like if these two cross or anything like that during the process, could short it out. You do not want to short it out. Do not get in your heat or anything like that. Read the label and use your common sense. Thanks for watching this video and have a good day. Sorry this video took like 1 to 2 minutes. Sorry. Bye.